Today's lesson is about the letters J.
ح خا.
The three letters have the same shape. It's that one dot that differentiates between them. In order to learn how to pronounce the H and the KH letter, watch the four letters that don't exist in English video. Now let's look at how the letters look like in the beginning, middle, and the end of a word. The blue part is what is written when the letter is at the beginning and middle of a word, while the red part is what you write when the letter is in the end of a word. It is when you add the tail, so to speak. It indicates the end of a word. Here is a trick that will help you remember those letters. Look at the letters. You will notice they consist of two parts: the mouth part and the belly part. The mouth part, in blue, is what is always written. It has the shape of a crocodile's mouth. The belly part, which is in red, is what is added at the end of a word. Now let's examine each letter. The letter J has swallowed a jewel, which is inside its belly. J is for jewel. The H letter has an empty belly and no dots. It is hollow. H is for hollow. The letter KH has a dot above the crocodile's head. Let's repeat that. J is for jewel. H is for hollow. KH is for crocodile's head. Now let's look at examples.
ملح ملح جمل جمل بحر بحر نخل نخل